covered headbands. So this is where you can get a really good bespoke match. Generally hair colours are like blonde, brown, however in my case I've got very vivid hair, so bespoke match is so essential every time. So what you want to do first is you want to get a little snippet of your velvet or your ribbon, however which one you want to use, and then what we want to do is grab a little bit of glue. So we've got our Gutermann HT2 glue here, pop a little bit on either side like that, and then you'll grab that bit and you'll just cover the ends, and this makes it really easy then to ensure that you're definitely not going to see those little end bits on the headband. So then what we want to do is grab another little bit of glue here, pop that on the underside, grab your ribbon there, position that there, and you just want to start working it around, just slowly but surely working it around and covering up all those gaps. And you can glue it as you go as well, which I'll do, and this makes sure it's not going to slip and slide everywhere and you're going to get a really good finish. So I've just covered the rest of that headband there, and what we want to do now is just finish it off. So I've preemptively here just cut a little tiny piece and glued it to the end here, so then we can just finish on wrapping up right to the end. So what we want to do is continue having a little blob of glue, pop a little bit on that side and on this side, because we're really finishing off, so now we really want to make sure it's definitely glued on there. And you want to continue to wrap. Like that. Really give it a pull as well when you're doing it, and then get into a good point. So I feel like that's a good point here, so we just want to have a little snip, grab a little bit of glue, have that down there, and if you need to trim off a little bit more, do that now before the glue dries. And there you are. You have a little bespoke covered headband, and now